Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the HARBR Hotel in Heilbronn, Germany. I've been given room 415 on the 4th floor. Here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. Light switches, there is a plug down there, and that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left are a couple of hooks, a chair, some cupboard space with a shelf above, another light switch, and behind this door is the bathroom. To the left is a huge mirror, together with the sink. The toilet is right there, and to the right is the shower area. That is the bed with my travelling penguin. Bedside table with a light, some light switches and a plug. Climate control panel. Huge mirror. Hello. And on the other side of this is more storage with shelves, an in-room safe, some pictures, a little ledge to put your stuff on, flat screen Samsung TV, desk area with the chair, some plugs, a light switch and whatnot. A chair, another sort of like bedside table thing with more light switches and a plug, and obviously a light above. There is another mirror right there. You can't see out properly because it's dark, but the view that I get out of the window is of the river. So that is the view out of the window the next morning. As mentioned last night, it is the river right next to the hotel. It is quite a nice view, and there is also what looks to be the walking path right next to the hotel. The sun is just about to rise, so you can see quite a beautiful horizon. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 415 at the HARBR Hotel and Boarding House in Heilbronn. Thanks for watching and goodbye.